Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to deactivating Messenger accounts, and all you have to do is to launch the Messenger application, and then you're going to tap on the three lines, and then you're going to tap on this gear icon, and then you're going to scroll down until you see this option that is here. So you're going to tap on account center. From there, you're going to tap on personal details. You're going to tap on account ownership and controls. Then you're going to tap on deactivation or deletion. You're going to choose the account that you would like to deactivate. So I'm going to choose this one. Going to only put it on deactivation. Then I'm going to tap on continue. Going to put my password. Once I'm done, I'm going to tap on continue. Then I'm going to tap on continue again. Then I'm going to put the same password. Then I'm going to tap on continue. And then it's going to take me to this option now, in which I'm going to put it on. This is temporary, and that I will be back, or you're going to choose the one that you are currently experiencing. Then I'm going to tap on continue. Then you're going to choose the amount of days in which your account is going to be deactivated, or they're just going to put it on don't deactivate automatically. So I'm going to tap on done, then I'm going to tap on continue. I'm going to just tap on deactivate my profile. And that's it for this video. I do hope that you did learn something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.